Hello everybody and a very warm welcome back to my latest unboxing video. I got my latest Atlantic badge and I'm so happy that the postman arrived safely, also with the records safely, and of course I wish him a safe trip today because we have like snow chaos up here in Germany. We have snow lying around for 50 centimeters at least, and getting your car free, it takes about 30 to 45 minutes. It was horrible. Absolutely not my weather. But we're not talking about the weather. So in the latest Atlantic badge, and for me personally, this is the most, I'm the most excited about this one. Because you know, I'm a soul lover, and what's included in this package is one of the people who defined soul music, who helped to bring soul music to life and into mainstream. And this is Ray Charles. So having rock and roll from Ray Charles up here, I can't wait to tear this open and play it. And of course, for me, one of the most influential, most important, and most treasured singers of soul music, who finally, or who luckily graced this earth, is of course the great Otis Redding. Otis Redding for me is, it's a very tragic story with Otis. On the one hand, this tragedy leads him up to being the king, and you know, he didn't even record a bad song. But on the other side, I wished he would have had the life he had in front of him to live, and how he would have developed into the 70s and the 80s. So there were many songs he should have recorded, many shows he should have given, but I'm happy that we have the recordings of him that we have. So Otis Redding, the Dog of the Bay. And a guilty pleasure down memory lane is for me Alice Cooper. If I remember my childhood, I remember me riding my bike with my Walkman on, hoping that the cops won't see me with my Walkman earphones. You know, back in the day you had very big, very thick earphones on with this thing around your head, and you were riding your bike and you didn't hear traffic and anything. Kids, it's very dangerous, don't do it. But back in those days, that was my highlight. And of course, Alice Cooper was on my Walkman as well. So for me, these three records are absolutely highlight. And I would say, let's open them up. Let's open them up. I love the releases with the glossy cover. Honestly, I can't praise the printing quality of these records enough. And yeah, we have the special guest Vincent Price, who is mostly known, if you look for the music industry, as being the one with the spoken part in Michael Jackson's Thriller. But yeah, let's see. This is the inside. Hope you can see that. Beautifully, beautifully done. All right, let's get them out. Free yourself. Okay. So as usual, we have our little flyer. There's something else in it, and once again. But you've already, I'm pretty sure that you've already seen it in many other videos before. You get super thick cardboard with these covers. So it's a pricey product, yeah, but it's also a very high quality product. And sound-wise, so far, I wasn't disappointed at all. So I will clean these up and play the hell out of them. And luckily, my neighbors are on vacation, so I can really turn up the volume very loud. And there is Alice Cooper playing loud is a highlight. So let's put these beauties aside. Ray Charles. A Fool for You. I can't wait to play this as well. I really have to choose which one do I play first. But I think it might be Otis. It will be Otis. It will be Otis. Then Ray Charles. And we have the grand finale with Alice Cooper. They are on vacation till Sunday. All right. Once again, flyer and a little sheet with upcoming releases. Record 2, record 1. I will open the gatefold. I removed the record already, so you can hear the cracking sound. Absolutely astonishing. Absolutely astonishing. Great shots. Otis. Otis, Otis. My man Otis. I'm so happy. My weekend is saved, I tell you that. I think this picture was taken when he was doing the a pop festival in 1967. There's also footage of him performing, and that was just shot shortly before he died in a plane crash. So yeah, on the back, a picture of him with the guitar. I think in the studio, obviously in the studio. Such a tragedy with him, but there are so many other artists who died, who should have been and could have been. So once again, I'm thankful for the recordings we have. Also the vault label. Oh my god, that's so cool. You know what? I don't clean them. I play them right away. Here they are. I play them right away. I don't clean them. They look, well, yeah. They're very, no, I don't clean. I play them right away. I play Otis right away. Look inside this. Look at the man. I love you more than words can say. Let me come home. Open the door. The glory of... I play this right away. I can't wait, and I give you in a later video or maybe in another live stream a little feedback about this, but I'm running to the turntable and put these on. So this was my little unboxing video so far. I couldn't see any damage on the covers, and once again the printing quality is absolutely flawless. Yeah, it's a high quality product, a pricey product where you can expect this, but I paid around the same money for other reissues, and they weren't as flawless and not even having this kind of quality. And let's not just talk about the inner sleeve. So you buy an expensive record, and what do you get? The paper inner sleeves. I love that, but perfect. Thanks for watching this little unboxing video. I'm wishing you guys all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. And if you have snow or bad weather, drive carefully. See you next time.